Whoa, 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 whoa. Where is the Robin Hood? Looking at the Tesla, checking out the Tesla. Looking at the Tesla, broken past the 835. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Looking the short. Tesla, Tesla. Look at the Tesla, 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 Tesla. Looking at the March 20. Looking at the March 20. Gonna get the 600 puts for 23. $22. There you go. I'll put him to keep an eye on the E-minis. Looks like we're selling off here. All we have is really a breakout structure here in the 1 minute. Probably gonna retest this 3,200, 320 area. Right now I'm short Tesla long term, giving it about 2 months. I have a 2-month put on it. It's probably looking to retest this 320 area here. Looking for a bounce off that 320. Tesla rejecting that 835 resistance. You can see here kind of Fibonacci extension here and the 835 level, rejecting it here. Crazy how it follows these fib extensions from like years ago. Really respecting this 665 one down here for a little while. If it closes below this 835 level today, I can see a huge sell-off here on Tesla. But we'll see what happens by close. That's kind of what I'm hoping for because yeah, we are short Tesla right now. Crazy as the kids might say. Oh. Let's see if we hit this 320 support here. Kind of broke structure here on this little line here. Broke this kind of trend line. So I'm looking forward to come back down to this 320 area, looking for maybe like a bounce or something. For maybe like a bounce on this 320, or is it gonna break right past? Okay, bounce. We'll get a bounce. We'll get a bounce. Is it gonna break or no? Just looking for a break, possible break or bounce here. Alright, it's gonna crack it. We'll see what happens from here. Maybe just bounce right back up. Okay, it's gonna crack it. It's gonna break past. It's gonna buy back up. We're gonna retest this as maybe resistance now. Okay. We're gonna get short here, 1850. Maybe 19. We're gonna short here at 19. Stops at 2050. We're gonna short here at 19. Stops at 2050. Just looking to get filled here. One contract at 19 here. Getting filled there. Getting filled there at 19. Stops at 2050. 2025. Trailing stop 2025. See if we can't go down a little bit further. See if we can't go down to this like 18. We're gonna capture a handle here. We're gonna capture a handle 318. Looking for this to go down to this 318 area here. It's looking to retest this 320. Am I gonna get stopped out here? Looks like I might get stopped out here at this 2025, maybe, possibly. It's itching to go back up, but so far it's kind of not succeeding. We'll see what happens. It might just shoot right back up here. Stops at 2025. See what happens here. It's gonna hit this 75 area. Holding on tight here. Kind of making higher highs here. Looking for it to come back down, break below this, or breaking down the support line. Looking for this to go lower here a little bit. Looking for this to go down to 318 area. Looking for this to go down to this 318 area, retest that 318 area. Can we go back down to that 318 area? We broke below the VWAP here.
Order filled.
Looking to exit there. Not bad, locking in about $21 profit there. Yeah, I see it broke right back up. Broke right back up. Looking to retest this 320 area. Possible entry short again. Possible entry short up at this 320 area. See what happens. Short or long. If it breaks and holds above. No, look like it's not gonna. See how price action is. Alright, so it broke below the VWAP. Let's see if it holds the VWAP or not. Alright. Breaking above here, see if it closes above. Getting a quick scalp here. Looking for a quick scalp here. Alright, so it's kind of got rejected there. There's a VWAP here, there's a support line here, so there's going to be a lot of testing in this area. Alright, so it looks like it might hold above here. How's this candle getting close? We got about 15 more seconds here. Tesla tanking 784 here. $789 here. I have a $600 put with the expiration at 320 on Tesla. So it broke above with a wick though. It has to break above this 322 high for it to get any momentum upward here. Otherwise, if it keeps holding below this 322 area, it's gonna retest that 320 area again. Alright, broke past the 322 area. Looking like a buy zone now. Looking like a buy zone, possibly up to 324, possibly. Looking to get long here at this 321.50 area. Looking to get long here, possibly at this 321.50 area. Now it's gonna run off without me. Broke that high. This one's breaking the next high. Momentum's looking good. Looking for a possible short entry to retest that 320 area. Tesla retesting this 800 area. Sending streaks here. It's 325 area. Looking to get short here. This is 325 possibly. This candle can't break new highs on this green candle. Looking to get short here. Looking for this 1 minute to close above this, either 325 or below. If it closes below, alright. Looks like it's going to be a strong close above. Still have about 15 more seconds here in this candle. Testing this, I believe it's the 20 EMA on this. See, we have MACD convergence on the smaller MACDs. Bigger MACDs still a crossover divergence. Rate of change is changing from a small sell to a closer to neutral. RSI pretty neutral. No bias there in RSI, no bias there in rate of change. Do have a small divergence on the larger time frame MACD. Smaller time frame MACDs looking like they're converging to possibly switch over to a bullish cycle. This could be a fake out. Trying to retest this 328 area. Looking to retest this 328 area, but if we can't hold, then it can't hold, you know what I mean? Alright, so that couldn't close above that, that 1 minute couldn't close above. Looking to get short here at this, potential 326. Let's see where my stop would be, 27.50. Alright, see if we can get a short 326 here. Looks like it's going to move a little bit without us. Let's see if we can get filled here at 325.50. No, I'm not liking this risk reward actually, because I can't see it coming back down to 320 without retesting this 327 area. Looking for a retest of that 327 area. See how this candle closes here in this 1 minute. Five minute looking like a formation of a doji starting to form a doji. On the 1 minute chart here we have a consolidation candle, looks like. Not really making higher highs, but I mean it's making higher lows, I suppose. Kind of a short-term uptrend. Kind of rejected that 320 support here on this 15-minute time frame. Still a little bit of a resistance up at this 3330 area. Tesla back at 800. Looking to sell a 600 put on Tesla to hedge my long 600 put. Looking to sell a 600 weekly to offset the theta and collect some premium. I could probably do it for 6 weeks. Lower my cost basis on the long put. We're gonna get a little bit more premium here. Let's see if I can get filled at 110. You know what? I'm just gonna hold on. I'm trying to short that put. So looks like a rejection here. Oh yeah, retested at 326. Dang it. Wasn't paying attention, trying to short Tesla. Yeah, we're probably going to retest this 320 area again, see what happens. Might break through, made a lower high here on a slightly bigger time frame, but yeah, higher low on this shorter time frame. Okay, we might not get down to that 320 area if it holds above this 324. There was a big wick there for a second, kind of surprising, but it didn't quite turn into a green candle. Okay, so interesting formation here. This might be a little bit of a just a consolidation for a shoot upward to test that 330. I mean, on the 5 minute, this was a huge engulfing green candle. And these like little three red soldiers here. Not really liking any of this price action past this run up here. A little too much consolidation. Let's watch Tesla for a little bit. Let's see. It's 1 hour, so 4 minutes on this 1 hour chart. Definitely breaking past this 835 level. See if we can't close. I think we have definitely switched to a little bit of a downtrend. Do not know how long it'll last for, but it's definitely a little bit of a downtrend going on here. We have a crossover in the Bollinger Band. Signaling a trend change. Happened pre-market though. Gap down. Tried to retest. Hit the 5 EMA. Hit the 8 EMA. Rejecting the 8 EMA. Breaking this 835 support here. Let's see if we can't close here. There's another minute. A little bit over a minute here. Minute and a half. See if we can't close below this 835. Support turned resistance. Yeah, there was a clear uptrend from the 665 break. Now broke below this Bollinger Band. The midline. Volatility expansion on the bands itself. Possible correction up to. It's gonna. I bet you, it probably will retest this 835 area. It probably will retest the 835 area for the day. But by this 1 hour closing below this 835, it's a good sign to keep our shorts. Looking for this to kind of actually test this 665 area as support. Kind of a profit target here. March 20, trying to calculate my profit targets here and this one. Got in at 22, just one contract. Calculate. This hit 660 within the next couple days. If it hit 660 within the next 2 weeks, so February 20, could make over 100% on our money here. Could get a 100% gain here. Alright, so breaking up the E-minis, kind of running here to 326. Still not liking any of this price action, so I think we're gonna call it for a day. Not gonna place any more trades. So thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow at 9:30.